In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check an order on Foodpanda. Whether you're eagerly awaiting that delicious meal to arrive or just wanting to double check your order details, knowing how to track your Foodpanda order can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily do this. First, you'll want to navigate to the Foodpanda platform. This could be done using either your mobile app or via their website on your computer. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a vast selection of restaurants offering a variety of delectable options. But today we're focusing on tracking existing orders. So locate and click on the section labeled Orders and Reordering. This section can usually be found on your main dashboard after logging in. It's designed to be user-friendly and helps you manage your recent and past orders efficiently. Once you've clicked on Orders and Reordering, you'll be directed to a page where you can see all your recent activity on the platform neatly organized. What we're interested in right now is the Active Orders section. Click on Active Orders to view all the orders that are currently being processed. Here you'll be able to see real-time updates on the status of your order. This is particularly handy if you're on a tight schedule and need to know exactly when to expect your delivery. As you navigate through the active orders page, Foodpanda will provide updates including when your order is being prepared, when it's out for delivery, and an estimated time of arrival based on the live location of the delivery person. If you're using the app, you might even have the option to see the delivery partner's progress on a map, offering more precision and peace of mind. Just a quick tip, it's always a good idea to ensure that your contact details are up to date in your Foodpanda account settings. This helps avoid any miscommunication and ensures that the delivery person can reach you if needed. Additionally, keeping the app notifications turned on will also keep you informed about any changes in the status of your order. And there you have it. The process to check your Foodpanda orders is simple and user-friendly, allowing you to effortlessly track your meal from the restaurant to your doorstep. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you can enjoy the convenience of Foodpanda to its fullest, always staying informed about your delicious meals on the go. So next time you're eagerly awaiting that favorite dish from your go-to restaurant, rest assured, you'll always be in the loop. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy your next Foodpanda meal with confidence.